Hey guys, it's Phae and this is Day with Phae. Today I am going to be reviewing the Koko collection for you guys. Timestamps are in the description below for when each swatch begins, as well as swatch comparisons. I got you guys. So I'm going to be doing yet another giveaway in this video. You can skip to this and that will take you to the review of the Koko collection. So this is only open to people in the US. Unfortunately for now, but I do have a giveaway in the future, probably my next Kylie video or the one after that, that's going to be open to people from the whole entire world. So definitely stay tuned for that. So this one right here is to win the Angel Lip Kit. This is brand new. It's one of my favorite shades. I think that this color looks good on a bunch of different skin tones. It looks especially beautiful on fair skin tones. To enter, what you're gonna have to do is go to my Instagram, find this post, make sure you follow me, make sure you like that photo, and then comment down below things that bring you joy. So yeah, so that's the giveaway portion. Now onto the Koko collection. So I was very excited about this because, first of all, I thought Kendall and Kylie were gonna have a collaboration first, just because I saw that from Kylie's vlog. But then all of a sudden, Chloe and Kylie are doing a collaboration for the third time. And I was like, you know, I know the first two have been super fire. There's no way this third one is gonna like top it for me. But I was completely wrong. I love all the colors and I'm super excited to try these out for you. I did buy the whole entire collection, but unfortunately, I did not get my eyeshadow palette. I contemplated waiting until I had the eyeshadow palette to make this video, but I decided to go ahead with reviewing the highlighter, as well as the two shades and the lip liner. If you guys are interested in an eyeshadow palette swatch and looks, comment down below, let me know if I should do that video, and hopefully customer service is gonna get back to me ASAP and give that to me. So the first color I'm gonna be swatching for you guys is the bigger the hoops. And if you know Chloe, she wears hoop earrings all the time, so I love this name. I think it's really cute. So the bigger the hoops is a rose pink shade. Okay, so I'm 100% feeling this color. I think it's really cute, really girly. I love it. It's super wearable. I think that this might be my favorite Koko collab lip collection shade. I do love me some khlo money. That is a good shade too, but I do gravitate more towards rose shades. So I think this just not khlo money to second place. For 17 bucks, this is a cute color to wear all the time. So next up, I am going to do Handbag Ho, which is also really fun. I love the names. Whoever came up with the names, you did a really good job. Handbag Ho is a nude brown.
You the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you. I need a little bit of trust from you. Oh, we can let the guns blow.
So I'm kind of getting used to this color a little bit because I'm not used to having a lot of browns on my face for my lips, but I will say that I am warming up to it. I am very excited to see how this looks like with Allergic to the Bullsh on top of my lips. I don't know if you can completely see on camera, but it does feel like it is not 100% even on my lips, if that makes sense. Like it feels like some areas are darker than others, and I really tried my hardest to make it uniform throughout, but it just seems darker here, lighter here, and then a little patch here. So I wouldn't really wear this lip liner by itself because of how difficult it is for it to be completely uniform. So I would say so far this lip liner is not a must-have. All right, so now I'm going to put Allergic to the Bullsh on top. And if you're wondering why I'm not saying that word, I don't have any problem saying it in real life. I just don't want to be demonetized for any reason. So this is a soft pink nude, and I'm also gonna do this by itself as well.
Let the guns blow from you.
lip liner does pair well with Allergic to the Bullsh. I think that this is a gorgeous color, and this is the only reason that I would say if you do like this combo, then it doesn't hurt to get this lip liner. But if you were intending on using this lip liner by itself, I would not say to get it. But I do like how this looks with the lip liner, but I want to see how it looks like without the lip liner as well.
Feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider. But sometime, you the first one made my heart beat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit of love from you.
So I'm so glad that I did it without the lip liner as well, because it does have a different vibe to it. Obviously it's much lighter because it doesn't have a darker base underneath. Honestly, I think I prefer it without the lip liner, especially with fair skin. I honestly feel like these two are so cute. I can't wait to compare it with other lipsticks from her collection. But if they are different enough, I totally recommend getting them. So now, onto the highlight. Now, I personally have not bought a highlighter from Kylie Cosmetics in a really long time. I did get them when they first came out. They didn't have as much payout on my skin, but I know that she redid the formula again and it's supposed to have much more payout. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let me try it.
Since an early age, I
Very cute packaging.
took you hostage and I
So this is called True Mama, and True Mama is a soft rose gold. I am obsessed with rose gold. I like that it's soft. I like the color to it. I think that this is gonna hopefully do well with my skin tone. Now personally, I like to keep it a little bit minimal. So I'm gonna swatch it first. Okay, so this is it on my finger. Obviously it has a lot of color payout. It feels creamier and like it has some sort of emollient in it compared to the really old formula. I know people like to do this. So let's see the color payoff. And my skin is fluorescent, so let me get a little bit closer. It's hard to tell because, like I said, my skin is fluorescent, but in person, it's beautiful. I'll add a second swatch to it just to bring it out more on camera. So if I move my arm, you can totally see that it's blinding, but not blinding in a like outrageous way. I personally like to keep my makeup pretty subdued and natural looking, so I don't really try to gravitate towards the bam highlighters like some people do, and that's totally okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face and stuff. Put it on my nose. Put a little bit on my Cupid's crossbow. It's a Cupid's bow. Okay, and then I'm gonna put more on my face. I already do kind of have highlighter on my face because I totally forgot that I bought the highlighter.
opened up and caved in. Would you hurt me, baby?
Now again, I'm pretty fluorescent in skin tone, so let me lower my lighting a little bit so you can see it off the soft boxes. So this is only, I try to do as little as I can because again, I like to keep it minimal. I think I already did a little bit too much because it already has a lot of payout. But yeah, it is blinding. I'm definitely gonna do even less than this when I do it naturally, like day to day. I do like how it looks on my nose and my Cupid's bow because I just did a little bit. I was like, I know usually when I'm putting on my nose and my Cupid's bow, it looks like, I don't know, crazy. So I think I'm gonna be introducing that into my beauty routine. Let me try to show you the swatch again now that I lowered my lights. Okay, yeah, you can totally see it better now. Okay guys, so first up, I am going to compare my swatches to the Bigger the Hoop. So first up, I have Harmony, and then I have the Bigger the Hoops, and then I have Snow Babe. So comparing these first two, I would definitely say that Harmony is peachier than the Bigger the Hoops. But comparing the Bigger the Hoops to Snow Babe, they are similar, but I would say that the Bigger the Hoops is lighter and more cool tone than Snow Babe. So in this batch, I have Sweater Weather, the Bigger the Hoops, and Khlo Money. Now, Khlo Money is definitely more brown than pink, so I think it's pretty different to the Bigger the Hoops. But we can focus on the Bigger the Hoops and Sweater Weather. Sweater Weather is lighter and more peachy than the Bigger the Hoops. So that's my swatch comparisons for the Bigger the Hoops If you guys want me to do more swatch comparisons to the bigger the hoops, just comment down below. Let me know the shade that you want it to be swatched against. And if I have that shade, I will get that to you as soon as I can. So now I'm going to be comparing to Allergic to the Bullsh. So first up is Khlo Money. Khlo Money is the darkest out of these three. And then is Allergic to the Bullsh, and then Phae. I definitely will say that Khlo Money is darker and more brown than Allergic to the Bullsh, which is lighter and more taupey. And then compared to Phae is lighter than Allergic to the Bullsh and kind of has a peachy nude element to it. This last comparison is Allergic to the Bullsh versus Kylie. Kylie is definitely pink. Not at all similar in my opinion. And there are your swatch comparisons. Again, if you want me to do a specific swatch comparison for Allergic to the Bullsh, just comment down below. I will get that out to you as soon as I can. So that concludes my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and found it informational. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always really appreciate it. Make sure to comment down below if you want me to do an eyeshadow palette review for this Koko collection whenever it ships to my house. If this is your first time to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. All you gotta do is click my face right here, or you can watch some of my other Kylie Cosmetics videos that are also pretty informational, you know what's up. Okay, I hope you guys have a really beautiful rest of your day.